Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well and enjoying your artistic journey. Today I would like to talk about what travel and nature can teach us as artists. As artists, we are always looking for inspiration. We often search for new ideas, new subject and new ways to improve our skills. One of the great teacher we can have is nature. And one of the best ways to get experience it is through travel. We do not always need to travel far. Sometimes a short walk in a nearby park, a visit to a village, or a trip to the mountains can teach us valuable lesson. The first lesson is observation. When we travel or spend time in nature, we begin to notice things more carefully. We see the shapes of trees, the color of distant mountains, the mountains of clouds, and the way light changes throughout the day. As watercolor artists, observation is very important. The more we observe, the more accurate and beautiful we can paint. Nature teaches us to slow down and truly see what is around us. The second lesson is patience. Nature works at its own pace. A flower does not bloom overnight. A river slowly shapes the rock around it. Mountains are formed over many years. In the same way, artistic growth takes time. We cannot become better artists in a few days or week. Every painting, every practice session, and every mistake is part of the journey. Nature reminds us to be calm with ourselves and trust the process. The third lesson is appreciating beauty in simple things. People think they need a grand scene to create a beautiful painting, but nature teaches the beauty can be found everywhere. A small path through a forest, a single tree, a quiet stream, or sunlight on a wall can become a wonderful subject for a watercolor painting. Travel helps us discover that inspiration is often hiding in ordinary places. The fourth lesson is adaptability. When painting outdoor or traveling, things do not always go according to our plan. The weather may change, the light may disappear, rain may arrive suddenly. Sometimes we cannot paint exactly what we intend. Watercolor itself teaches adaptability. Water flows where it wants to go. Color mix in unplanned ways. Nature teaches us to accept changes and make the best every situation. The fifth lesson is understanding light and colors. Nature is the great teacher of light. No photograph can fully capture the beauty of early morning light, the warm colors of sunset, or soft atmosphere of a misty day. When we spend time outdoors, we begin to understand how light affects colors, mood, and atmosphere. This understanding helps us to create more genuine and expressive paintings. The sixth lesson is humility. When we stand in front of great mountain, a vast forest, or a powerful waterfall, we realize how small we are compared to the beauty and power of nature. This feeling can be very inspiring. It reminds us that we are always learning and growing, no matter how much experience we have. There is always something new to discover. The seventh lesson is creativity. Travel introduces us to new places, cultures, architect, and landscape. Each new experience gives us fresh ideas. Sometimes a colors combination, an old building, a mountain trail, or a peaceful temple can inspire a future painting. The more experience we have, the richer our artistic imagination becomes. The eighth lesson is connection. Nature helps us feel connected to the world around us. When we sit quiet and observe a landscape, we become more aware of the beauty that surrounds us. This connection often appears in our artwork. People can often feel when a painting is created with genuine appreciation and understanding of a place. The ninth lesson is living in the present moment. When we are watching a sunset, listening to a river, or painting outdoor, we are focused on the present. We are not worrying about yesterday or tomorrow. Nature is encouraged us to slow down and enjoy the moment. This mindful approach can make both our lives and our paintings more meaningful. Finally, travel and nature teach us that the journey is just as important as the destination. As artists, we often focus on finishing a painting, but the experience, observation, and lesson we gain along the way are equally valuable. Every place we visit and every moment we spend in nature adds something to our artistic growth. So, whenever possible, spend time outdoors, take a walk, visit a new place, observe the changing season, watch how light moves across the landscape. You may return with reference photos, sketches, or painting ideas. But more important, you will return with new experience and a deeper understanding of the world around you. And that understanding will help you become not only a better artist, but also a more thoughtful observer of life. Thank you for listening. I would love to hear about your own experience with travel and nature. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments.